What's its name?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, look at the guys have food.
We call it Chuck E. Cheese.
Let's see, Sophia.
Oh, my grasshopper. A big grasshopper.
Remember, you gotta push it.
Hey, come out here. Hold on, let me throw.
No. What are you doing?
Let's just try and fix it. Set up.
Oh. It's supposed to be another one.
You don't have to do it that way.
There you go.
Okay, let's go over the bridge now.
Can we start
No,
this?
Start on the other side. The other side. Go on the other side.
Get on the other side of the bike.
Yeah. You're doing fine.
Oh, I'm falling.
Jiminy Christmas Day, Sophia.
Push the pedal forward a little bit.
Oh yeah, there you go. Now just push it. Go. Go, go, go. Good job. You did it all by yourself. Come on in, Sophia. Put it down. Let's go. Ride your bike.